And the reason is that like a 10 basis point improvement in something like insurance is dramatic, right? Like that is enough where you can go out compete everybody else, because the market participants themselves are often dealing with such large numbers at scale that a little bit of efficiency, like 30%, is like you are like $100 billion company, right? Like you are going to crush if you're 30% more efficient as a fintech business. And it's because the market participants are thinking about numbers in very small increments, right? It's like if you can improve things by a couple of basis points, you win. Like everybody will just switch over to you. And it's also because your counterparties often are very, very rational. So, if you're talking about a business saving a little bit of money on something that they have to do every year, they're totally going to do that. Contrast that with do you really care if you're going to save $10 a month or $20 a month relative to your $100 a month Airtable subscription or your Notion subscription or your Slacks? It's just like too much work to rip it out. And so that's not why you make decisions that way. But for these financial products, lending, I think about a mortgage. Like, how do people decide where to get a mortgage? It's like, well, it's 6.3 over there and it's like 6.25 over there. I'm going to that person, right? It's like, these are tiny, tiny improvements that you have to make in sort of the net rate that somebody pays, and the entire market will flip.
So if you're right, Avichal, I think what is going to happen on the RE side of things, assuming in a vacuum that the concept and theory of RE is correct, that, RE is only a 30% efficiency upgrade in one direction, but the size of it grows very, very, very large. That if you are correct about your theory, that would be the outcome, correct?
That's right. And not only that, but I think this is what's so compelling from a startup perspective, is that if you manage to do this on the stablecoin side with the on-chain capital markets, the way that RE is, I think it's going to be very difficult for the incumbents to tap into that same efficiency, right? So like everybody's going to do AI. All the fintechs are going to do it.